Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. Today we shall start grammar, chapter number 6, adjectives. What are adjectives? The words that describe the quality of noun is called the adjective. Let us read the second activity. Read the following passage and fill in appropriate adjectives to make the story interesting. Avoid repeating any adjective. It was a quiet day at the farm. Little Jaipal had been working in the round garden since early morning. He looked up at the bright sun and wished he could go swimming in the cool village pond. All at once, Jaipal had a fantastic idea. He decided that a nice swim was just what he needed. So he ran down to the pond and jumped into the cold waters. A wide smile spread across his cheerful face as he floated on the calm water. The lovely swim didn't last very long. However, all of a sudden, Jaipal let out a loud cry that could be heard all over the village. He jumped out of the water as though he has been shot from a big cannon. He wiggled and screamed, trying to find the source of his discomfort. Finally, after one great shake, a green frog came flopping out of Jaipal's pant. Seeing the frog, all the worried villagers who had gathered at the edge of the pool let out a relieved laugh. Jaipal would now definitely think twice before he went for a swim when he had to work. Now we'll see the kind of adjectives. There are various kinds of adjectives which you have already learnt some kinds of adjectives in your previous classes. They are adjective of quality. This adjective tells us about the quality or kind of a noun. For example, brave warrior, heavy table, high mountain, etc. Adjective of quantity. This adjective gives us an idea about the quantity, how much of a noun. For example, some food, little milk, much ink, etc. Adjective of numbers. These adjectives tells us about the numbers, how many in order of noun. For example, first man, each parent, few oranges, etc. Next, demonstrative adjective. This adjective points to a particular noun. For example, this hat, that pen, these squares, those glasses, etc. Next comes the possessive adjective. These adjectives shows the possession of a noun. For example, my cat, your house, his toy, her diary, her keys, etc. Interrogative adjectives. These adjectives ask a question related to a noun. For example, whose dog, which book, what day. Last one, emphasizing adjective. These adjectives are used to emphasize statement. For example, this is my own business. This is the very girl who had won the award. In this chapter, we will discuss the demonstrative adjective and possessive adjective in detail. The demonstrative adjective, this, that, these, those, tell us where an object is located and how many objects are there. For example, this and that are used to point to one object. This points to something nearby, while that points to something over there. For example, this dog is mine, this is mine, that dog is hers, that is hers. These and those refer to more than one object. These point to things nearby, while those point to things over there. For example, these berries have been freshly plucked. These are mine. Those mangoes are ripe and juicy. Those are yours. Now exercise 3, filling the blanks with appropriate demonstrative adjective. My best friend gave, you can write this or that, journal to me. Second, this oblique that, you can write any one. Information must be conveyed to the administrator. Those or these boys were quarreling in the classroom. This or that woman wants an appointment with the doctor. I need to put these or those dishes away. Those birds sing in that tree every morning. This or that boy is a member of the club. Nobody lives in that house anymore. Next, we found all these or those shells at the beach. Last one, take this ticket with you to the cricket match. In this exercise, there are so many options are given, this, that, those, these. So you have to write only one out of that. Is that clear, children? Now we move on to possessive adjective. The possessive adjectives are the words my, your, his, her, its, ours and their. They are used to indicate who or what owns something. They are usually placed before a noun. For example, take his spoon and put it by your plate. Second, she got her look from her father. He is a plastic surgeon. It only wants its ball. Exercise 4. Filling the blanks with appropriate possessive adjective. First one, it is important that we preserve our natural resources. Next, I am working on my website. Third, anyone is entitled to their own opinion. Next, don't they know they have to bring their calculators? Kate and I were late for our French classes. Next, he has waited a long time for his turn. Next, Rosalind keeps her home very clean. Next, will you look after our poodle while we are away? It will need food and water. Next, Rohan, your handwriting is difficult to read. Last one, Kim and Katie have invited me to their party. Now exercise 5, underline the adjective in the following sentence and state their kind. Is this your bat? Now you have to underline your and you have to write the kind, that is possessive. Next, he is a clever businessman. You have to underline clever. It is a quality. She is the first woman to climb Mount Everest. Underline word first and it is a number. 2 girls came with the teacher. 2 is the number. She is a brilliant student. Underline brilliant. It is a quality. He is an honest trader. Underline honest and it is quality. Next, who is that girl? That, underline that, it is a demonstrative. Next, he is my father. Underline my, that is possessive. We need some sugar. Underline some, that is quantity. Bring me that horse. Underline that is demonstrative. Next, he drank all the water. Underline all, that is quantity. Last one, Harish has 4 cars. Underline 4, that is number. I hope, dear children, you have understood this chapter.